Hello everyone, my name is Sorin Mihna and I'm the CTO of SuiteSpot Technology. In this segment from the SuiteSpot Labs, I'm going to show you the SuiteSpot Smart Translation system. With Smart Translation, we decided to bring down any language-related communication barriers. When Smart Translation is enabled, the system automatically presents all the information in the language that is most natural to the user and allows them to use that language to input notes and other useful information. Let's say your site staff, somebody in your site staff speaks Spanish as their first language, they're going to be able to use the SuiteSpot app completely in Spanish and see all the notes and information that come from the system, even if they were input in English, see that in Spanish. Conversely, they will be able to put in the work notes in Spanish, and everybody else in the organization who speaks English will be able to see that automatically translated in English. This type of translation makes communication natural and encourages everyone in the organization to properly document their work and to the benefit of everybody else. Even more, Smart Translation can extend to the communication with the residents and allow them to feel even more at home within your community. All right, so let me show you how this works. Well, I'm going to create a work order right now. I'm going to pretend I'm John. John is an English-speaking guy. So I'm going to create a new work order in one of our properties, one of our test properties. Let's say 25 Shepherd West, Unit 10205. And we are gonna pretend that the kitchen faucet is dripping. Kitchen faucet. This is a medium priority. And we're just gonna say the kitchen faucet is dripping. And we are going to create this. And we are going to assign this work now to Jose, who is our new technician here. So let me quickly do that. Now, Jose, his primary language is Spanish. So we're just going to save this nicely. And now we're going to pretend that we are actually Jose getting this work request on his mobile phone. So we are now on Jose's phone. Jose's first language is Spanish. So his SuiteSpot app shows in Spanish. He's going to refresh his task list. And then we're going to see the newly created work order at 20525 Shepherd West. You can see it's already been translated. So we're going to go in. And now he can see the request in Spanish. He can even put in his own work log comments in Spanish. Let's say that he's been spending an hour and did some fixes here. And he's going to add a work log. He spent 1 hour. And we have a note that I'm going to put in here. It's a Spanish note, and we'll see what he's actually saying on the other side of the user interface. And he's going to complete this. Sí, marcar como completado, sí. And now we're back on John's desktop, and let's see the results of this job. So remember, Jose entered the work log in Spanish. And let's see that work log now on John's user interface. Oh, the Jose actually replaced the O-ring and fixed the drip. The faucet may need to be replaced at the next rotation of the unit. Well, there you have it. I assume rotation of the unit is our translation engine's notion of a turnover. But the whole idea is that the notes that Jose put in are automatically translated for John. John is able to understand the message, and he's able to then communicate further with Jose if needed by writing in English, and Jose will be able to read it in Spanish. So there you have it. This is the SuiteSpot Smart Translation, breaking down the frictions between your site staff and your management office and making sure your property management operation runs better and more efficient. I hope you enjoyed this segment, and we'll be seeing you back on our next from the SuiteSpot Labs. Thank you.